Today we'll discuss about 10 best herbs in the world, uses for all types of cooking. So let's check what are those. Okay, number one is basil. It's called Osimium basicum. Okay, a key ingredients in many recipes, especially summer salad and Mediterranean classics. Basil is Britain's most widely sold herbs. Nearly uh, 500 million herbs, 500 million amount of herbs sold in only in England. Okay, although originally from India, where it is considered sacred, it thrives in British soil and thus is perfect for your kitchen garden. Okay, so how it grows? A tender annual and above withstand cold weather and frost basil can only be grown outdoors in the summer and so must be moved inside during the winter months. Okay, in the greenhouse you can also uh, the plant these things and it can grow with so many varieties of basil is available on the earth. Okay, so any type of basil you can plant is okay for you. Number two is chives, Allium esconoprasum. Okay, a hardly perennial and especially easy to grow. Chives are a superb addition to your kitchen garden. They were once hung in bunches around the house to fend off evil spirits, but today they are popular as broader plants with their pretty purple blossoms. As the entire chive plant is edible, they are extremely versatile. Their flowers can be picked and used as garnishes, and their bulbs and leaves can also be eaten. With their legit onion flavor, chives can be used in all sorts of summer dishes, from the classic potato salad to soup and omelets. Okay, so we will discuss about the number third herbs in our list. It's called mint, Mentha specula. Common mint, otherwise known as spearmint, is a fantastically hardy herb that is easy to grow in the garden, flowering light purple blossoms from August to September. The herb is perennial and so can be relied upon to grace your kitchen garden year upon year. Its vigorous nature means it can sometimes be invasive, so to avoid it taking over, grow it in a bottomless basket set in the soil. With its refreshing and pleasant spearmint flavor, the herbs is often used to flavor salad and sauces, such as mint such. Its leaves can also be dried or used fresh to create herbal tea, and are often used to domestic used in domestic herbal remedies. Okay. Number four is coriander, Coriandrum sativum, also known as the Chinese parsley. Coriander is a short-lived, tender annual which is grown from seeds sown at intervals during the growing season. As the whole plant is edible, it is highly popular in culinary dishes and is often used in Asian cooking, including curries, Chinese, and Thai meals. The seeds and leaves have distinct flavor. The seeds have a more lemony taste and can be ground down and used as a spice. The leaves, a little more bitter, are often chopped up and used as a garnish. As well, its culinary use as coriander has many health benefits and is used all around the world in herbal remedies. Okay, number fifth in our list is dill, Anthem graveolens, a short-lived but hardy annual dill and be raised from seeds with relative ease in your kitchen garden. Its versatile nature, from its use in culinary dishes to its contribution to the production of soaps and oils, makes it appealing to grow. Fresh and dried dill leaves, with their wonderfully aromatic smell, pair beautifully with seafood such as smoked salmon. The herb is also popular mashed with potatoes and soups. Okay. Number six is fennel, Phoeniculum vulgare. Although indigenous to the Mediterranean, fennel can be grown easily from seeds in the UK and is a brilliant addition to your garden. Although a hardy perennial, fennel is often sown every year to remain its crop. Its highly aromatic nature and aniseed flavor makes it wonderful ingredients for both sweet and savory dishes. Its young tender leaves can be used for garnishes in a salad, in soups, and with fish sauce, as well as in sweet sticky sauces and delicious pudding. The edible nature of the whole plant makes it very versatile. Okay, in our list, it's number seven, French Dragon, Artemisia dragonculus. Although a little more tricky to grow, French Dragon is the most for any culinary enthusiast and those who particularly love French cuisine, with its aromatic sweet, anisey scent and liquorious flavor. French tarragon is considered the finest variety of tarragon in the kitchen. It is particularly delicious when paired with chicken and can also be used to flavor vinegars and oils as well as make a Bernier sauce. Okay, so our number 8 of our list is parsley, Petroleum crispum, one of the most popular herbs in British cooking. Parsley is an absolute must to grow in your garden. A hardy perennial, it is shown each year from seed in spring and summer. It can be used in Middle East salads, combined with basil to make pesto, and used in stews and fish flakes, fish cakes. Curly parsley with its decorative curled leaves. It often used as a garnish to dishes. Okay, so our number 8, 9 list is rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, believed by the Greeks to be excellent for the brain and associated in traditional medicine with having a good memory. Rosemary is a particular nutritious herb to grow in your garden as an evergreen shrub. Its fragrance, needle-like leaves are available fresh all year, so it can continually grace your table and decorate your garden. Okay, so our number 10, the last one, Salvia officinalis, it's a sazay. The intense flower of sazay, with its savory and slightly peppery taste, makes it one of the most widely used and grown herbs in Britain. Its variegated green and white and purple forms makes excellent sources of color for a herb garden and can double as an ornamental border essentials to British cooking. It is often paired with pork and used in stuffing.